uh, a fight that's not going the distance that night on that card, I think it is going to be this fight. You know what, attorney? Bago natin himayin yung laban, same as usual, balik tanaw tayo dito sa mga fighter. Luis Neri, ano bang pinaggagawa nito? Eh, di ba nung kailan lang wanted ito sa wanted ito sa Japan? How did he make a comeback, and who is this Luis Neri? Why is this fighter a good watch?
Well, it's a good fight itong si Luis Neri. Dahil ito si Luis Neri, search and destroy ang laban ito. There is not much style. Walang style ito masyado, itong Luis Neri. He just comes to bomb away. Ganoon na siya, bombs away ang laban ito. Actually, naban niya sa Japan. Sapagkat, if you will recall, kalaban niya one of the best, most respected Japanese champion, si Shusuke Yamanaka. Kung ako nagkakamali, for the Bantamweight Championship. He showed up overweight Doon sa laban na yon, took banned substances, etc. So, binansa ng Japan. Actually, that was an indefinite ban. So talagang sabi ng Japan, hindi ka na pwedeng lumaban dito. Pero nung sumisikat na yung Naoya Inoue, nakakita ang Japan na isang paraan para maiganti si Shinsuke Yamanaka. Sabi niya, ito na ang hinihintay natin. Yung mandarayang action na yun, ito na pagkakataon, makakaganti na tayo. Tanggalin niyo na yung ban. Tanggalin niyo na yung ban. At payagan na lang muling lumaban itong si Luis Neri sa Japan kontra kay Naoya Inoue. Pero ano nangyari? Muntik ba ambush? Si Naoya Inoue. Bumagsak! Nakita na yung power, Ibang klase rin yung hampas ng kaliwa ng mamangin. Nakita mo, full leverage yung suntok na tumama dito kay Naoya Inoue, and yung composure lang ni Inoue, talagang believe ka. And there were occasions in the fight, yung sinasabi natin, a few inches na lang, tatama na naman yung Luis Neri, pero eventually nagulpi siya at naiganti ni Naoya Inoue. But he's a dangerous opponent, itong si Luis Neri. Always a dangerous opponent. At very intrigued ako sa laban niya kay Jonel Casimero because parehong bad boys ito Parang parehong bad boys ng boxing ang maghaharap, At tama ka, JM, I don't see this fight. Ito, definitive. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung nakatayo o kung sino yung bibilangan, pero may bibilangan dito. May bibilangan dito. At tingin ko yung bilang ay hindi aabot ng 1 to 10. Somebody will get knocked out in this fight given the styles, the reputation of both Casimero and Luis Neri.
Speaking of another boxer who is, has a rich history of being overweight and also has a history also has a history of being suspended or banned in Japan, di ba? Match made in heaven itong dalawang to di ba? Pareho overweight, pareho na suspended.
Itapon mo na nga yung timbangan sa laban na ito Itapon mo na sa timbangan, ang timbangan dito. Kumbaga, kung ang labang gaganapin po sa palengke, mga kaibigan, at ikitaga DTI, wag mo na tingnan yung weighing scale. Malamang hindi masusunod yan sa laban ito. Pareho po silang may problema sa timbang. Hindi nga malaman kung saan, di ba, kung maalala mo yung original na laban ito, hindi mo malaman saan bang division gaganapin ito. Hindi mo alam
Actually, I have to get back to that. Ano nga bang division nito? I thought first it was 122. Ano na nga ba?
122, catchweight ba ito? Catchweight ba ito? Ang pinakamaganda
hindi ko na alam at this point.
Yun nga ang aking inaano dyan. Is it 122? Because supposedly within the vicinity of Naoya Inoue's neighborhood, di ba? Pero hindi natin alam Baka ang huling naririnig ko, catchweight na raw.
Okay.
Kasi nga po, parehong may timbang ang dalawang ito. Ito yung mga followers ng pelikulang Tinimbang Ka, ngunit sobra. Diba? Yun ang problema dito. So, sabi ko dito, pagdating ng aktual na laban dito, pag tunog pala ng kampana, hampasan na ito. Wala nang pakialam, itapon mo na yung style sa basura. Matibay ang magiging itsura ng laban ito. It will be fun until it lasts. No matter how long, it will be fun. It will be fun. Don't expect too much science in this fight.
Correct. It's going to be fun as long as it lasts. And as long as, General Casimiro is always fun. I'll give
Yes,
that to
also
him.
fighting naman si General eh.
Oh, inside and outside the ring, he's always fun for whatever it's worth. Kahit sabihin mong good fun or bad kind of fun, whatever that may be, he's funny in a good way, in a bad way. Take that however. Pero attorney, si Janrel, okay, punta naman natin si Janrel. Ano bang pinagkakaabala nitong mama na ito recently? Kasi ang alam ko nagba-vlog, 'di ba? Tapos bumalik sa Japan, yung huling laban niya, yung fake na Oya Inoue ang kalaban niya, yung naka may kulay yung buhok. So,
Yeah.
paano ba tayo nakarating sa laban na to? And 'di ba, how did this fight come to fruition, attorney?
Well, it's happening because itong si Casimiro has been given a second chance dyan sa Japan. Remember, he was banned after that knockout win over Saul Sanchez, if I'm not mistaken, because again, he failed to meet the weight, yung stipulated weight na kanilang pinag-usapan. He came back, natakalo pa doon sa isang boksingerong kamag-anak ng kanyang promoter na hindi ko alam kung bakit mo naman tinanggap yung laban? Kamag-anak ng promoter mo yun eh. Wala ba nakapansin na pwede kang maluto doon? In any event, he's back on the winning track. He got a free ride in his last fight. Alam natin yan, that was a freebie. But this time, no freebies. He's getting to fight a former world boxing champion in Luis Neri. This guy, sabi nga po natin, is a dangerous fight for General Casimiro. Nabigyan na siya ng pangalawang pagkakataon na muli makabalik sa Japan. At ang Japan talaga ang hotbed ng boxing ngayon sa Asia. Nandiyan po lahat ng aktibidades sa boxing. Lalo na kung kayo mga boksingero from Asia, no? So nandiyan lahat. So he's been given another chance. Let's hope he makes the best of this chance sapagkat alam mo yung window of opportunity para kay John Rell, medyo pasara na rin po given his age, given the controversies na kanyang kinasangkutan. And sayang, remember, he never lost his last world title. He was stripped of the WBO championship because of issues with the weight, the sauna issue, the weight problems, etc. So, ang daming nga naging problema ni John Rell. Sana maiayos na because this could be the last act the way I see it. And the result of this fight will be very critical sa kanyang karera.
You know what, Atty. Very na-intrigue ako doon sa sinabi mo na parang nagko-close na yung window of opportunity. Hindi ba close na at this point? He's 37. Ano pa yung window of opportunity? We don't even know if this guy can actually make weight. Right? Let's just be honest here. We don't even know if he is making weight in this upcoming fight. So, hindi pa ba sarado na yon? Kasi as far as I'm concerned, it's already closed. The fact that we don't even know what weight these guys are fighting at, and fighting on the undercard na 10 round. And again, don't get me wrong I like this fight, and this is a fight that I'm going to watch, diba? I'll be tuned in. But yung sa window of opportunity hindi ba nagsara na yun a while back? Kasi 37 na ito at puro, diba? Ano bang pinagagawa nito? So I don't know.